week we are celebrating the holiday of Chanukah. The question of the week is, how can we invite miracles to our lives? So in reference to the miracle of Chanukah that we celebrate for 8 days, and the question is, why do we celebrate for 8 days? And the answer is because they found one little jug of oil that was pure, and that lasted for 8 days. But there's a debate, what does it mean it lasted for 8 days? So one opinion was, when they saw they only had one jug, and they needed it for 8 days, they took it and divided it up into 8 equal portions, and they burnt every night one little amount, which should have not lasted the whole day, and miraculously it lasted the whole day, which is a pure miracle. A little amount, and it lasted so long. The second opinion is that they emptied out the whole full jug into the menorah, and when it came the next day, guess what happened? A miracle took place. The jug was refilled. A straight out miracle. The third opinion is that they poured the full jug into the menorah, and the menorah burnt as if it was burning from that oil, and at the end of the day, the oil was still left in the menorah. So the Rebbe says the first and second miracle, that's a straight out miracle. Now we know God doesn't want us to do mitzvot on a miracle. It means if you use an eighth, it should only burn a little bit. And the fact that it burned so much, it means it burned from a miracle. When they went ahead, the second opinion is that the jug got refilled. That's a straight miracle. The third opinion is, no, we did the mitzvah 100% because we put in oil. It so happens to be that God made a miracle that the oil should burn, but it should not burn out. And that is the greatest miracle. The greatest miracle is when you're doing your part in nature, but nevertheless, God comes and makes a miracle that the oil should not be consumed. So the Rabbi asks, how did they merit such a great miracle? That they should have enough oil, the oil should look like it's burning, and it's not burning. And the Rabbi says they merited that miracle because they went on Mesiras Nefesh. They went in self-sacrifice. They could have easily given up Judaism, but no. They said, we're going to be Jews even if it's hard. Even if we put our life on the line. And when a person goes and puts his life on the line, they merit great miracles. So if they answer the question, how can we merit great miracles? Do what God wants, even, and maybe specifically when it's hard, up to the point where it's very, very hard, and you'll achieve and receive great miracles in your life.